Welcome to our Gimbal Face-Off. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Hohem iSteady M6 and the Insta360 Flow Pro. Both of these gimbals offer unique features and capabilities that can enhance your smartphone videography. We'll explore their specifications, user reviews, and what sets them apart in the market. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady M6 features advanced iSteady 7.0 stabilization technology, ensuring smooth footage even in dynamic situations. Users have praised its ability to maintain stability while walking or filming action shots. On the other hand, the Insta360 Flow Pro also offers impressive stabilization with its 3-axis system, making it suitable for casual videographers. However, some users noted that it may struggle with certain angles during fast movements. Overall, both gimbals provide excellent stabilization, but the Hohem iSteady M6 has a slight edge in user satisfaction. When it comes to AI tracking, the Insta360 Flow Pro shines with its Deep Track 3.0 technology, which includes advanced features like animal tracking and 360 degrees infinite pan tracking. This makes it a great choice for capturing moving subjects effortlessly. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 offers a basic AI following mode, which is effective but not as sophisticated as the Insta360's capabilities. For users who prioritize tracking features, the Insta360 Flow Pro is the clear winner. In terms of portability, the Insta360 Flow Pro is designed to be compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting. Its lightweight design at 500 grams is a plus for travelers and vloggers. Conversely, the Hohem iSteady M6, while feature-rich, is slightly heavier at 551 grams and does not have a foldable design. This makes the Insta360 Flow Pro a more convenient option for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing functionality. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the Insta360 Flow Pro offer unique advantages for smartphone videography. The Hohem iSteady M6 excels in stabilization and features a built-in fill light, making it ideal for users who need versatility. Meanwhile, the Insta360 Flow Pro stands out with its advanced AI tracking and compact design, perfect for those who prioritize portability and ease of use. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.